Hello everyone, good morning and you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Spice. So in today's video you're gonna join me and polish my face. Okay guys, so just wake up, just need to have my shower, but before I go to shower I want to do a little polishing. I want to polish my face and my neck. I don't know if you can see my face very well, but I still need to polish, give it a polish so that it can keep glowing, To keep your face glowing, always you need hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, E, and E. Oh, sorry, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and E, and folic acid mixed together with other nourishing, skincare, skin nourishing ingredients in it. So every night you apply it and go to sleep. When you wake up the next morning, you wake up to a fresh, glowing, smooth, brighter skin like mine. Okay guys, let me show you guys what I'll be using to do my face polishing, morning face polishing. Okay, keep washing. So here are my ingredients. Number one, I have my ground. What's wrong with this camera? I don't know if you can see it. Oh my gosh, I have my ground almond seeds here. So next thing I'll be using is my goat milk powder. I'll be using goat milk powder. You can use cow milk powder, any powder milk you have available. Then next I'll be using my oat powder. I'm using oat powder. Then I'll be adding a little matcha green tea to it, and my chamomile powder also. You can see, so I'm using the chamomile tea, so I'm going to use the powder in it to add it. And I will never forget my skin lightening powders. I have the video on how you can mix this. I have different powders, different herbal powder here mixed. There's turmeric here, brown rice flour, organic turmeric powder is here, organic brown rice flour is here. If you don't see brown rice, you can use white rice, because brown rice is always expensive, but that's what I prefer using. Then I have besan powder here. I have cinnamon powder here. I have orange pea powder here. I have licorice powder, sandalwood powder, and I have different type of powder mixed in here. So I always use it and it works wonder. I have testimony also, when you shake under the video, you can see some people that tried it patiently. You can see their review, and many people have been calling me, because all natural things work. What you need is patience, not every day. You will call and say, well, how long is this thing going to work? No, you need patience. If you don't have patience, then you are not ready to go natural. That is it. That is the simple truth. You have to give yourself time. It works gradually, but surely works, and will give you a good lasting result. And next I'll be adding is my lemon essential oil. I'll be adding some few drops of lemon essential oil to it. All right guys, oh, let me not forget, I'll be adding my hyaluronic acid. I don't joke with it. I will add a little drops to it, anything that goes to my skin, I like to add it to it because I love it so much. And rose water. This is the rose water I made, that we made earlier. I have the video on my channel, so I'll be adding rose water to it. Rose water is very good for our skin. You can use it in different things. You can even drink it if you know the source on how you distilled it. So I'll be adding it to it also. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna add is my almond seed powder. So I'll be taking about a teaspoon of almond seed powder. Yes, son. Go and meet Kamsi. I'm busy, okay? I am busy. So next thing I'll be adding is my oatmeal powder. Add oatmeal powder to it. So next I'll be adding my powdered milk, my goat milk powdered milk. Be adding about a teaspoon also. Then next I'll be adding my matcha green tea powder. I love it so much. After seeing the benefits, I love to add it to my skincare product because of the rich antioxidants that it contains. Then add my chamomile green tea powder. Add the powder to it also. Then my skin lightening powder. Adding about half teaspoon of it. About half teaspoon, or you can add 1 teaspoon if you like. So you add a little lemon to it, just a little few drops, about 10 drops. I get that. You can add lemon, you can add lemon juice to it if you like. So next, I'm going to be adding my hyaluronic acid serum. This is pure hyaluronic acid serum. Did not mix this with anything. Just hyaluronic and aloe vera. That is it. So next, I'm going to add my rose water to it. You add, you adjust. So I started with 2 teaspoons. As you add, you mix. Keep adding until you get the consistency you need. Don't make it too runny. I can't even tell the measurements I use on this. Just add as you like. Hyaluronic acid, I don't have any dosage. It doesn't have overdose. So after that, look at the consistency now. It's lighter. Yeah. So it's time to apply it. So to apply, get your face towel. Dip in. Look in warm water. It's not the one that will peel your skin, please. So dip it in warm water. You always steam your face before you apply treatment so that it can penetrate and work. So let all the pores open and receive our treatments to penetrate and work. Things, natural things work. You need patience and the technique, okay? So, oh my goodness. mix it and then take the back of the spoon and start applying it. So after applying, you see, apply it all over your neck and your chest, all over. So leave it for 20 minutes. I'm going to leave it on. I used to leave my on until it dries very well, so that it can dry, can penetrate in, dry there, do its work or its job, whatever. Okay, is it so patient? Everybody, patient. When you are doing natural things, you need patience. Gradually it works, until it works and it remains permanently. Stop and stay away from harsh chemical, and I know we are gonna glow together. This is already drying up and falling off. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. If you're new, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. And then if you love my video, give me a thumb up. Okay? And encourage me to do more. Stay organically beautiful. Very important. Bye-bye.